Assalamualaikum. I am Samit Sabab. Welcome to my video resume. I am from Manikganj. At present, I live in Birulia Sabad, Dhaka for my study purposes. I am completing my bachelor degree in real estate from Daffodil International University. Now I am a 6th semester student and my average CGPA 3.62. I completed my HSC from Ideal College Dhanmondi, Dhaka in 2022 and I completed my SSC from Manikganj Government High School in 2020. Because my dream is work in real estate job market, so I completed my background is real estate based on, and my last 6 semester I visit many real estate company like Rupan City, Concord Real Estate Limited, Shoptok Grihayon and Baribanai Real Estate Limited, and so on. In my last semester, I make a assignment with Shoptok Grihayon and Baribanai Real Estate Limited. It's a very wonderful moment for me because I gather knowledge many side in real estate sector. I am a member of Real Estate Club and I am also a member of Manikganj Social Business Club. I have a good communication skill and I am also a good listener. I have some skill in IT sector like Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, photo editing, video editing, etc. etc. I used many social media platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn. I have a hobby and my hobby is fishing with handship. When I go to my village, I go to pond or river for fishing with my friend. It's a very wonderful moment for me. There are many waste time with it. That's all about my video resume. Thank you everyone. Thank you watching my video.